let me tell you more about the database part. Okay, so I will take a simple example of my personal laptop, guys. Okay, so in my personal laptop, definitely there is an operating system installed, which might be Windows, Mac OS, or Linux operating system. Okay, and there is CPU also, maybe 4 processor or 8 processor or 16 processor, depends on the configuration. And also we have the memory part, like there might be 4 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, or 16 GB RAM in your laptop. And there is a storage area in your laptop, which might be 500 GB storage or 1 TB. Okay, so in my current laptop I have 500 GB of storage and 16 GB RAM. Okay, and also we have Wi-Fi connectivity. This is the network connectivity that is available. It is a feature that is available in our laptop. Okay, so if I compare my laptop configuration with a database server. Okay, so a database server is, it is a host machine similar to your laptop. Okay, so the server is a host machine which you can compare with your laptop. So a server will also have its own operating system. Suppose if we have a Linux server, so that means Linux operating system is installed on the server. Okay, and the server will also have its own CPU, its own memory, its own storage. Okay, and network capability also is available. So a database, Oracle database Linux server, you know, you can compare it like, suppose, uh, as I told you, like you have a personal laptop and different, software is installed. Software application softwares are installed uh, inside the Windows operating system. Like you have Microsoft Office. Okay, so similarly, on the database Linux server, like suppose this is the server. Okay, and we have the Linux operating system installed on my server, and inside the Linux operating system we will install the Oracle software. Okay, we will install the Oracle software, and after installing the Oracle software we will be able to create our Oracle database. Okay, so hope you got a overview of what a database server is. I have compared the server, database Linux server, with your laptop configuration. So hope you got an easy overview. Okay,